how to make money using credit cards. Lots of people hate credit cards and avoid them at all costs, and I do not blame them. Credit cards can ruin a person's name when wrongly used. But there is a place for credit cards as long as you fully understand the system and can make it work for you. Let's get started. The way we'll make money is with cashback, which varies from 1% to 6% depending on the bank and deal you find. The secret here is not to charge your credit card buying things you don't need because you will get a small percentage back. You have to use your credit card every time that is possible to buy things you are going to buy anyway, like food, groceries, house expenses, phone bill, and gas, for example. Instead of paying cash for these things, you swipe your credit card. Now you are getting that percentage back, usually 1% to 6%. Small, yes, but it is great since you are going to buy those things anyway. Equally, extremely important is to pay the credit card in full at the end of the monthly billing cycle. This is the only way this strategy can fully work. If you do not make a full payment and let the credit card bill snowball into next month's bill, that 1 to 6% that you were collecting means nothing because the credit card company would then collect 15 to 30% off of you. This is the reason even though we are now buying everything with a credit card, we still can only buy things that we could pay cash at the moment anyway. The reason for this is that if you cannot afford to pay for it cash now, it means you will not be able to afford that bill next month when it will be piled up with that month's expenses plus the interest the credit card company would then be collecting from you. This is the secret to go around the system. I have not paid one penny to credit card companies for over 5 years, and I collect about $200 yearly off the credit card. This number can be much higher depending on how many expenses you have, but since I choose to have minimal expenses as possible, 200 or so is great. Now that you know all these strategies, the next step is to find the best credit card out there that fit your specific needs. Make sure they do not charge monthly fees or any other fees as long as you pay for it in full at the end of each month. Credit cards collect a fee from merchants on every transaction. Another reason banks can afford to offer great cashback deals is because the majority of people do not simply collect that cashback but allow the bank to instead collect from them. And even worse, thinking that they will get their money back, go all out and spend more than they would if they were not offered that cashback reward. It is your choice to be the one collecting these benefits or to be the one paying for them so others can collect these benefits. In reality, if the majority of people follow these steps I suggest here, banks would stop these offers. Let's go over these steps again. 1. Only swipe the credit card for things that you were going to buy anyway. 2. Only buy things with the credit card if you are able to pay for that item in full with cash at that moment. 3. Pay the credit card bill in full every monthly billing cycle. And 4. Find the biggest percentage cashback credit card with zero fees or monthly fees. Do you think credit card companies one day will stop giving cashback offers? Let us know your opinion on the comments down below. If you find this information useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.